Hello students, welcome to class 4, subject RR, topic the spider and the king, value being perseverant. So today I will be explaining a story with a good moral about being perseverant. Let's begin with a few examples. So students, you have seen that babies how they used to learn to walk. So first they used to crawl. Then afterwards, slowly, they start to walk. Does the baby succeed the first time it tries? No, first time it does not succeed. Next question, is it easy for it to learn walk? No, it is not easy to learn to walk. What does it do when it falls down? It's slowly trying to get up. Does it stop trying when it falls? No. It not stop trying when it falls. Now, second example. Now here, suppose if you want to learn English, so you have to work hard for that. Though you tried many times, if you're not able to learn, so you should never give up. We should keep on trying. Now next example. Now here you can see that a boy in future he want to become doctor. Okay. So what we should do? We should the only way to succeed is to keep trying. Okay, we should not think that we can't able to do. We should keep on trying. Though you fail 6 times, okay, then also we have to keep on trying. Now, in this story, we will see how the king achieved his goal. Okay, so king name whose name was Robert Bruce. He was the brave and a wise king. He was the king of Scotland. The king of England wanted a Scotland to be a part of England. So he sent his army to take out the king out of the Scotland, but he refused to go and gathered his army and decided to fight with King Bruce. King Bruce's army was small as compared to the King English army, but then also he fought with the England army 6 times. They fought and 6 times King Bruce lost. But after the last battle, King Bruce's army lost all hope. The soldiers ran away and so King Bruce forcefully hid himself in a forest with no army and little courage. So he did not know what to do. He went in an empty cave and lay down on the cold ground and thinking about giving up. Suddenly, his eyes fell on a spider on the roof of the cave. It was trying to put thread on one edge to the another of the cave, but it kept failing. The king was watching the spider with great interest, but every time the thread fell and it was trying again. 6 times it tried, but 6 times it failed. Looking at it, the king said, "You also know what it is to fail 6 times." But the spider did not give up. It was ready for the 7th time. Watching its courage and determination, the king Bruce forgot his own troubles and worries. Now he got the new hope and strength. He watched the spider swing into action again. It safely carried the thread to the other edge and fastened it there. King Bruce shouted that he will also try for the 7th time. So he came out of the cave and gathered his men and told them about his plans. To convince them, fight another battle. After some days, he had a brave army around him. A seventh time, a battle was fought. This time, King Bruce won the battle, and England's king went back to his kingdom. So Scotland became an independent country. King Bruce till today is remembered as one of the greatest king in Scottish history. So moral of the story is try until you succeed. Now value gems of this story. There are no shortcuts to success. Next, if we keep trying, we are sure to succeed. Next, hard work and sincerity are the stepping stones to success. Now, auto suggestions. Auto suggestion means that you have to stand in front of the mirror and you have to speak 3 times. Number 1, I keep trying till I succeed. I am a positive person. I only try new things that are good for me. Thank you.